In this video, I want to show you how to convert SVG image to EMF for free. The SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics and is an XML based vector image format ideal for web use. It supports interactivity and animation, making it versatile for responsive design, whereas the EMF, which stands for Enhanced Metafile, is a graphic file format used primarily in Windows application. It supports both vector and bitmap graphics, making it suitable for high quality print outputs. So EMF files are often used for image in Microsoft application. So in this video, I want to show you how to convert it. So let me use an image to demonstrate it. Let's go to pixabay.com and come to vector. Under vector, let's search for any object. For instance, let's search for bicycle. So click on bicycle, and here we can see images of different bicycle. So we can just use any one of them. For instance, let's use this. Click on it to start the download process. You can see the image of the bicycle. So click on download options and you can see different options. Select vector graphic, which is SVG, and click on download. Yes, you can see the download is done. Now if I go to the download file, and you can see the bicycle I downloaded as SVG image. If I right click and copy it, for example, let me go to Microsoft PowerPoint and try to paste it. You can see that it refused to paste. So because it's SVG, now I will need to convert it. So to convert it to EMF, let's go back to our browser and open a new tab. Then here, search for freeconverter.com. So which is to convert SVG to EMF. So when you open it, you can see you can use it to convert SVG to EMF. So when you are at this interface, come to choose file, and you can choose file from your device. You can equally choose file from Google Drive or from OneDrive. So let's choose from our device. Click here. Let's go to download, and this is our bicycle. Click on it and click on open. Yes, this will load the SVG image to the site. Then we are converting it to EMF, and you can add more file if you wish to. Then once you have added your file, click on convert. So the conversion process will start. It will start to upload it and then validate and convert it. So once the conversion is done, you can see it here done, and you just need to click on download to download it as EMF image. So the image has been downloaded as EMF image. Let's go to download folder, and you can see it here. We have converted it from SVG image to EMF image. So let's right click the EMF image converted and copy. If you now go to PowerPoint, right click and paste it. You can see our bicycle here. You can see we have successfully converted it from SVG to EMF. And what you can do here, you can ungroup it. Just right click, come to group and click on ungroup. Click yes. Right click it again and come to group. Click on ungroup. You can see we have ungrouped it into different parts, such that you can separate each part of this bicycle as deemed fit to you. You can see it here. You can see. So this is how to convert SVG image to EMF for free. Thank you for watching.